Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Just going to work on an abstract. So the idea initially is to fill the card with a few different colours, but I'm going to fill it in a slightly different way to what you might have seen in other videos. So I'm just going to take like blue and just a section of the card, swipe it on, and I'm not worried if it blends or does anything. I want this wax to be not too thin. There's some red, I'm going to some green. I'll do a nice big area down here. Some orange down here in this area. Some lilac down here. Like I said, I'm not too worried if it does some blending. Oh, I've got some muddy colour, it's fine. Right, and you're all thinking, what is he doing? So I'm just going to give my iron a quick wipe. Then I'm going to turn the iron on its side. Throw the cable over your wrist to get it out of the way, keep it out of the way for you. And use this non-wired side, so the side where the wire doesn't come out of your iron. And just start cutting it up like a saw, cutting across the colour. It'll begin to look a bit like you're looking down one of those kaleidoscopes that we had when we were kids. So we've got that far. Then I'm going to pick an area and have it that way. I'm actually going to make it into like a place by popping a pathway. Just work some of that wax that's at the sides. You can always scrape a bit of it off with your scraping tool as well if you wanted. Just a fantasy place. Could be anywhere. People really like them, and again I've made them into greetings cards and sold them many times. Put birds in there if you want, or anything. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.